Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to enable or activate voice chat on Roblox. Whether you are using mobile device or your tablets, this guide will help you enable voice chat safely and easily. First of all, open up your Roblox application on your device and tap on More at the bottom right. In the expanded More menu, click on Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. Now, under Privacy and Content Restrictions, click on Communication. Click on Voice Chat on the next page. Now you will see Enable Microphone button. Tap on the toggle right next to it. Now click Enable in the pop-up and you have now enabled microphone or voice chat in Roblox. Now you can join a Roblox game that supports a voice chat, and you can then look for a microphone button in order to enable voice chat and make sure that others can hear you while you are in the game. That's how you successfully activate voice chat in Roblox. Now you can talk and interact with other players in the game that supports the feature. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.